Yes, it is different. The Schedule B is also a 10-digit number, but is only used in United States. Was created by the Census of Bureau with the Foreign Trade Department. The Schedule B is only to collect trade statistics for United States, while the harmonized tariff schedule, HTS code, it was developed and is maintained by the World Customs Organization, WCO, and they are used for import and determining the duties of an import. Can I use the harmonized code instead of using the Schedule B? In 99% of the cases, yes. The 6 first digits from a Schedule B are pulled through the harmonized code system. They marry there. Very few commodities, the last 4 digits are different and might be unique to the Schedule B, but you can use the harmonized code instead of the Schedule B. If you're having a freight forwarder or a broker file the entry for you, just make sure you're telling them that you want to use the harmonized code rather than Schedule B.
And that search, that link we have there is it's really user friendly. I've used it myself many, many times. And additionally, we help out our clients daily on getting the Schedule B's numbers. It's something that we do on a daily basis and we're very good at. So you can certainly lean on the forwarder that you're working with, or lean on us to assist you in obtaining the proper Schedule B number.